everyone, this year we celebrate the 53rd UAE National Day, Eid Al Etihad. The name Eid Al Etihad emphasizes the theme of union. This day celebrates the unification of the 7 Emirates on December 2nd, 1971. This day is also central to the UAE's national pride, national identity, symbolizing heritage, unity and strength. Every year on December 2nd, we celebrate the UAE National Day with pride, gratitude and unity. This year, as we celebrate the 53rd Eid Al Etihad, the theme is on sustainability. We are encouraged to reuse decorations, reduce waste and to encourage sustainable practices. Throughout the Emirates, there are special Eid Al Etihad zones that will be hosting exciting activities and events for us to do. Let's come together to witness our shared history and let's look forward towards a sustainable and united future together. Happy National Day UAE!